In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. This is important to maintain continuity in communication, whether for personal memories or professional purposes. Chats often contain valuable information such as conversations, photos, documents, and contacts that may be difficult or impossible to recover if not transferred properly. To do this, simply head to WhatsApp. You want to tap onto this settings icon. You will then select onto this option of chats. Now here, head to this option of Move Chats to Android. You can either transfer to a different WhatsApp number, or simply tap on to start to transfer with your same exact number. Now on your Android device, sign up for WhatsApp. And once done, head to Restore Chat History and Media and tap on Restore. All your chat history will get transferred successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to move WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.